whole point of web applications is to let people interact with them. You want what happens in your front end to be reflected in your back end. So for example, if someone applies to a job offer, you want the information they submit to update your application's listing in your backend. Let me show you how you can do this in WeWeb. Here in WeWeb, on the page offer, the candidate is invited to fill out a form. In order to send the data to your Airtable base, we'll first need to link the form container to a workflow. So let's add a workflow right here, call it applications. We'll trigger it when the person submits the form. And what we'll do is we'll create a record in Airtable in our candidates base. Now what we'll have to do is we'll have to map out the elements from the form to the columns in our Airtable base. So bear with me a little bit, it's going to be a little bit repetitive, but what you do is you go fetch your variables in the form. So here we're looking for the name, here we're looking for the bio, here because Airtable is has this information as a list because you can add several items to the list. We only want to add one job offer where the candidate is applying to just one job offer. So we'll add the item and here add the ID of this job offer page. Then again, we bind the email variable just as we did for the full name and bio. We do the same for location in the variables, components, and the status by default is review application. Okay, so we've set up our workflow. Let's see if it works as a user. I'll just show you my Airtable base right here. I'll type in my name. I'm Joyce. I'm Joyce at weweb.io. Don't hesitate to ping me if you have a question. I'm based in Paris at the moment and I love cookies. All right, submit, and here we go, instantly updated in Airtable.